Hello everyone and welcome. If today is your first day on this channel, join the family. Today I have another spectacular recipe to share with you, vegetable soup. Without wasting time, join me in the kitchen. Let's make it happen. These are the ingredients we need for this life-changing recipe, but the full measurements will be in the description box. Add the red bell peppers, onions, okpei, and scotch bonnet peppers into the food processor and blend without water. I like to blend mine coarsely. It's up to you. This is exactly the consistency I wanted. Go ahead and heat up the palm oil. Do not blanch it. Once it's hot, you add the onions and fry it until it becomes fragrant, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the roux already pre-rinsed. Continue frying until the roux becomes fragrant, which takes about 2 minutes. Add ground crayfish. Fry for about 30 seconds, not longer than that because you don't want burnt crayfish, which will spoil the soup. Go ahead and add the pepper mix, chicken bouillon, and ogiri Igbo. Mix to combine very well and cover it. Cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until you see oil settling on top of the soup. Now add the deboned, pre-washed and pre-cooked dry fish. For this recipe, I am using goat meat and smoked turkey, and I already cooked them to save time, so you can use protein of choice. Now is the time to add the smoked turkey and the goat meat. Add the stock from the protein. Mix to combine very well. Check for seasoning and adjust as needed. I also added more water. Cover the pot, lower the heat, and allow to simmer for about 10 minutes. Go ahead and add some thickener. I am using homemade oat flour mixed with water to thicken the soup. You can use any thickener of your choice. It's up to you. Thank you for watching this video up till now. If you haven't subscribed, kindly go ahead and do so and activate the notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. I greatly appreciate your love and support. Cover the pot and allow to simmer for another 2 minutes. Add more crayfish and mix to combine very well. Add chopped spinach or any vegetable of choice. Mix to combine very well and allow to simmer for about 2 minutes. You don't want to overcook the vegetables. And the deliciousness is ready. You can serve it with fufu or white rice or whatever you choose. You can use it to eat bread. I served mine with oat fufu. Believe you me, this is super delicious. It is out of this world in taste. If you try it, I bet you will come back to thank me later. Thanks for watching. I am dishing out this to eat on your behalf. So kind of me. Go ahead and try the recipe and let me know how yours turned out. See you in the next video.